What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, it's Al here. And in today's video, we're going to be answering the question, where is the Toyota Yaris Cross made? The Toyota Yaris Cross has made quite an impression in the world of compact SUVs, combining the charm of the Yaris with the practical advantages of an SUV. If you're wondering where this innovative car is actually produced, you're not alone. Understanding where the vehicle is manufactured often gives insight into its quality, the precision behind its engineering, and Toyota's global strategy. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into the manufacturing origins of the Toyota Yaris Cross, where it's produced, and how these locations play a role in shaping the car's performance, design, and sustainability credentials. The origins of the Toyota Yaris Cross. Before the Yaris Cross hit the roads, Toyota had already established a strong foothold with its popular Yaris range. Known for its reliability, efficiency, and compact design, the Yaris has been a favorite among city drivers. But as the demand for SUVs grew, Toyota saw an opportunity to blend the best of both worlds: a compact city car with the rugged capability of an SUV. Thus, the Toyota Yaris Cross was born, designed to offer practicality and comfort for urban lifestyles, while still delivering the elevated driving position and versatility of an SUV. First unveiled in 2020, the Yaris Cross quickly became a strong contender in the competitive compact SUV segment. Where is the Toyota Yaris Cross made? The Toyota Yaris Cross is manufactured in two main locations: Japan and Europe. Each of these regions plays a vital role in delivering Yaris Cross models to customers around the world. Let's explore the specifics of these manufacturing plants. Japan. Tokyo's Takaoka plant, located in Tokyo City, Japan, is key for production in the Yaris Cross. Established in 1966, this plant has a long history of producing some of Toyota's most iconic models, including the Corolla and the Prius. For the Yaris Cross, the Takaoka plant leverages Japan's renowned manufacturing standards, which are synonymous with precision and quality. Toyota's famous just-in-time production method is employed here, ensuring efficiency without sacrificing quality. The Japanese models of the Yaris Cross are built with cutting-edge technology and strict attention to detail, making them a benchmark for reliability. Producing the Yaris Cross in Japan allows Toyota to maintain full control over the quality of the vehicles, ensuring that the craftsmanship lives up to the high expectations associated with Japanese-made cars. France, the Oneying Valenciennes plant. In Europe, the Toyota Yaris Cross is manufactured at the Oneying Valenciennes plant in northern France. This plant is Toyota's cornerstone facility for producing vehicles destined for the European market, and it has been pivotal in establishing Toyota's presence in the region. The Oneying Valenciennes plant has been in operation since 2001 and has produced over 4 million vehicles. It is also the home of the standard Yaris model, which made it an ideal choice for producing the Yaris Cross. Manufacturing the Yaris Cross in France enables Toyota to respond swiftly to European market demands and comply with local regulations, particularly regarding environmental standards. Toyota is deeply committed to sustainability, and the Oneying Valenciennes plant reflects that ethos. It uses energy-efficient production methods, and the plant itself has been designed with sustainability in mind, contributing to Toyota's goal of reducing its carbon footprint. Toyota's commitment to sustainability. One of the standout features of the Toyota Yaris Cross isn't just where it's made, but how it's made. Toyota has been long at the forefront of sustainable manufacturing, and both the Japanese and French plants incorporate eco-friendly practices to reduce the environmental impact of car production. The Yaris Cross itself is available as a hybrid, which perfectly fits the Toyota's green ethos. By producing vehicles that are fuel efficient and environmentally conscious, Toyota is leading the way in the future of car manufacturing. At the Takaoka plant, for instance, Toyota implements cutting-edge recycling technologies to reduce waste. Similarly, at the French facility, energy-saving initiatives are part and parcel of daily operations. Looking ahead, expanding production. As the demand for Toyota Yaris Cross continues to grow, it's likely that Toyota will explore expanding its production facilities. While Japan and France remain the two primary locations for manufacturing, Toyota is always on the lookout for more ways to optimize its global production network. Potential new production hubs in other parts of the world could help meet growing demand, especially in regions where SUVs are high in demand. This would allow Toyota to stay agile and responsive to the needs of its global customer base. In summary, the Toyota Yaris Cross is a product of meticulous craftsmanship brought to life at Toyota's world-class production plants in Japan and France. These facilities ensure that Yaris Cross meets the high standards that Toyota drivers expect. Whether you're driving a Yaris Cross built in Japan or Europe, you can trust that the same level of care, quality, and attention to detail has gone into creating your car. With Toyota's commitment to sustainability and innovation, the Yaris Cross is not just a car built to last. It's also one that's designed with the future of the planet in mind. Wherever it's made, the Yaris Cross represents Toyota's dedication to creating vehicles that meet the needs of today's drivers while paving the way for a greener tomorrow. Frequently asked questions. Where is the Toyota Yaris Cross made? The Toyota Yaris Cross is made in 2 key locations: the Takeoka plant in Japan and the Onoeing Valenciennes plant in France. Are all Yaris Cross models built in Japan? No. While some models are built in Japan, others are manufactured in France to meet the demand in European markets. Why does Toyota produce the Yaris Cross in different locations? Toyota produces the Yaris Cross in multiple locations to ensure that they can meet demand efficiently and cater to regional markets while adhering to local regulations. For example, in the recent Hamas attacks, the Dead Sea was unoperational for shipment deliveries, which meant that the delivery time from Japan was significantly longer. The fact that they had a manufacturing plant in France means that they can ship to European markets much faster without all these additional delays. That's just one of the examples. What makes the Japanese manufacturing process special? The Japanese manufacturing process is known for its precision, quality control, and efficiency. Toyota's Takeoka plant uses advanced production techniques to ensure that every vehicle meets the highest standards. Is the Toyota Yaris built sustainably? Yes. Both of the manufacturing plants incorporate eco-friendly practices, and Toyota is committed to reducing its environmental impact through sustainable production methods. Are you looking to buy a new used car today? Well, then get in contact with us. Go to carnights.co.uk, that's carnights.co.uk, and then you can click on the Contact Us button, or you can view the vehicles that we have in stock. Make sure to smash the like button, hit subscribe, and comment down below your thoughts on the Toyota Yaris Cross. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video.